Using the second derivative test, find any local extrema for the function f of x is equal to x to the fourth minus 8x squared. All right, let's start off by finding the derivative, f prime of x, and that's going to be, using the power rule, we'll get 4x to the third minus 8 times 2 is 16x. And then from here, we are going to set this equal to 0 and factor in order to find our critical values. We can pull out a 4x from both terms, and we are left with x squared minus 4. So then we have that 0 is equal to 4x times x plus 2 and x minus 2. So our critical values or critical points are going to be 0, -2, and +2. So now what we can do is we can find the second derivative. So f double prime of x is equal to, well, 4 times 3 is 12, x to the second minus 16. And now from here, we can take our x equals 0, -2, and +2, substitute them in, and figure out what type of number we get. Let's start off with f double prime of 0. If we substitute 0 in, we get -16, because we get 0 minus 16. So because we have a negative here, that means it's concave down, which means we have a local maximum. So a local maximum at x equals 0. Okay, that's Roman numeral number 1. Now let's try f double prime of -2. So -2 squared is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. 48 minus 16 is +32. So that means we are concave up, which means we have a local minimum. So local minimum at x equals -2. Okay, that's option number 6. And now we have to do f double prime of +2. +2 squared is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. 48 minus 16 is 32 again. And because it's positive, that means it's concave up, and it has a local minimum. So local minimum at x equals +2. So we have 1, 4, and 6. 1, 4, and 6 is answer choice B.